Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Fan Feature Friday. Hope you all had an amazing week, and of course, as always, an even better weekend planned. This weekend, we are making a road trip, so as you guys are watching this, I'm probably somewhere on the 10 freeway, but we're making a road trip to San Antonio, Texas. We're gonna meet up with our friends who have been fostering our dog halfway, go to San Antonio Rodeo, and then head back on Monday. So it's gonna be a very, very quick weekend. So I hope you guys have a great weekend planned as well. Our Fan Feature Friday comes from Los Angeles, California. We have Vince and his 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium in that beautiful Barcelona red. I love this red color. Barcelona red and nautical blue are probably two of my favorite 4Runner colors, aside from the Pro colors. But man, I love those too. So his Instagram is VincePerez3. I'll put that right here on the screen and also down in the description for you all. And he hasn't really done any mods to it so far that are crazy, but they've been tasteful, and we don't care, you know, if you don't do a lot of mods. We just want to see what everyone's driving here on Fan Feature Friday. So some of the mods that he's done is he's replaced all his interior lights with LEDs. He's done the LaminX yellow tint on his fog lights. And get this, guys, I thought they were wrapped. He's plastidipped his fender wheel arches, his front valance, and all of his emblems. Now, people give plastidip a bad rap, but if you apply it properly and do it clean and take your time, it looks like this, and you can hardly tell that that was actually plastidipped. And when you don't like it, you just peel it off, and it's way cheaper than actually wrapping stuff. So some of his mods to come is the Old Man Emu 3-inch lift, BFG KO2s, CBI front bumper, C4 Fab rear dual swing bumper, and a Frontrunner roof rack. So I'm curious if you're gonna go with a full roof rack or 3/4. I saw a 3/4 on Instagram. One of the guys that I follow, he just swapped out actually a full-length roof rack for a 3/4, and it actually looks really, really good. So Vince, thank you very much for sharing your vehicle. Guys, if you didn't see your car on here, Fan Feature Friday, I got so many last Friday, it was like a flood. So I have at least 6 to 7 more. I like to just do one every Friday, that way all the spotlight's on you, but if we start to get, 12, 15 backed up, I may start to do 2 every Friday, but for now, we'll just stick with 1. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will catch you all next Fan Feature Friday. All right, see you later. If you guys want to be featured in Fan Feature Friday, go ahead and shoot me an email at bluetrdjon@gmail.com. Give me your name, your vehicle. It doesn't have to be a 4Runner. It could be a Tundra, Tacoma, old Celica, Supra. It doesn't matter, just as long as it's a Toyota. And go ahead and give me your location in the United States, or if you guys are out of the United States, let me know what country you guys are watching from. If you guys have a social media, go ahead and put that as well so all of us can start following you. Let us know what modifications you've done to the vehicle and any future modifications that you have to come for your vehicle that you're excited about. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, and I'll see you guys next Friday.